Hey everybody, this is just a quick video to help you out if you have a Bosch dryer and you're getting an E13 error, what it is and how to get rid of it. So very basically, the E13 error is an error that your dryer puts up when you're trying to dry something. The dryer gives itself a certain amount of time to get it dry, and after that time is up, and the clothes are still not dry. It senses that the clothes are still not dry. Then it's going to give you this error. So there are one of two things that could be happening. One is that, in fact, your dryer is failing to dry the clothes or whatever that is in there fast enough. And that could be a couple things. One thing I would do, first thing I would do is just make sure that there's proper airflow throughout the whole thing. So make sure your lint screens are clear. Make sure all the ductwork or hosing or air hoses and everything like that are clear. They're not kinked. They're not clogged or anything like that. And the other thing is you can check and feel the dryer and feel it. Is it hot? Does it feel as hot as it should be? Because it might not be drying because the heating element is not heating as much as it's supposed to be. So that's the one issue. So check those things, and if it's that, then you might have that issue to fix. The other issue is it might just be that you put super wet stuff in there, and so that it was so wet that it's taking the dryer longer than it thinks that it normally should to dry things. So if you got this error when you put some like soaking wet stuff in there, it should work. That error should go away, and it should work fine in the future if you just don't put stuff that's so wet in before and try to dry it from there. So anyways, I hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching, and have a great day.